Hi, this is Matthew, going to finish up the VictorReader Stream 3 stuff, all about the menus that we have. What's also great is I turned on the stream a little bit ago to start this, and there's a software update, so I can show that. They apparently have fixed the Braille thing with the Bard bookshelf, so I will try to get a Braille book and show that. I'm also going to show Bluetooth connecting and Wi-Fi connecting as part of the menus as well when we get over to that. But very cool that, lucky me, they just happened to put out a bug fix update to fix some stuff that was wrong. So I can show all that stuff, so it could take a little bit to go through. Obviously, I won't show every setting. I'll show where they are. I'm not going to do everything. But I do have a Bluetooth speaker, though. I can show Bluetooth connectivity. I managed to find it. So we'll just start. I'm just in the Bard bookshelf. We can go to the 7 key and hit it once. That's the Bard
Menu.
stuff.
Import
Hit it
configuration.
one more time to get to the other
General
ones.
settings.
Yeah, we have general settings,
Navigation and playback.
navigation and playback stuff,
Wireless.
wireless things, that's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi both, and airplane mode. Yes, there is an airplane mode. Obviously, I won't turn that on. I'll show it though.
Recording.
Recording stuff,
About.
all the about information of the stream, which I basically have shown that, but we'll look through it anyway.
Online settings.
Online settings,
General settings.
general settings, back to here. So we'll start there with the confirm key.
Language.
Language, we can, as I'll hit confirm here, we can do the following.
Download language and voices.
You can download language and voices if you don't like this person's voice here, or there's an additional content voice, which I have not gotten to show up yet. He's very quiet. His name is Will. Her name is Sharona. She's a menu voice, I think, too, but I have not heard Will yet on any content, so I'm not sure why. But that's where you can go change those voices. You can change, I'll show what's in here, though.
Change menu voice. Sharona.
Yeah, Sharona talking right now. That's the menu voice. You can change her,
Change additional voice. Will.
or the additional voice of Will. Can we see the voices? Let me make sure.
Change menu
I'm not
voice.
going to do, I'm not
Sharona.
going to do this, but
English Australia.
we can go with all the different languages here.
English Canada. English India.
I wish there was a way to preview these, because I almost would make a whole video on previewing all the voices, but there is no way to do this. Once you click any voice in this menu, you will find it will just download. I've seen other tutorials. It just downloads the voice and that's it, and it restarts and all that, and yeah, no thank you.
English Scotland.
Oh, cool.
English United Kingdom. English United States. English Australia.
Okay, so I'd have to change my actual system language, which I would in here
English
though.
United States.
I'm not going to click on one, but I'll show it to like the U.S. for example. We have the following:
Darius.
Darius,
Karen.
Karen,
Laura.
Laura,
Lily.
Lily. I think she's saying Lily, but I think it's Lily.
Micah.
Micah,
Rod.
Rod,
Ryan.
Ryan,
Saul.
Saul,
Sharona.
Sharona,
Tamira.
and Tamira. Tamira? Interesting. Not Tamara or Tamira. Tamira.
Taylor.
Taylor.
Tracy.
Tracy.
Will.
Will, that's the voice that's barely there right now.
Darius.
And back to Darius, and then we go back.
English United States. Change menu voice. Sharona. Change additional voice. Will.
That's all the same people.
Swap voices.
You can swap them also. You can just swap them if you want to just, whatever reason, you can swap the voices.
Change system language.
Yeah, that's where you can change your actual language the thing works in, which I will not do. I don't want to right now. You can. That way, yeah, but I mean, you could, but also you can just go through the, I guess originally you had to do this if you wanted like British voices or something, but now you can just go to them. You don't have to do that. You can, or maybe you bought it somewhere and it's set to the wrong country. You can go and fix that right there.
Change menu voice.
I'm
Sharona.
gonna go back to the cancel,
Download language and voices.
and then we have,
Select content voice. Sharona.
yeah, we can select her, what we just kind of did.
Braille translation table. English Duxbury grade 2.
Yeah, so there's all kinds of Braille options in here. I'm just going to go through a couple of them here. With confirm.
English U Duxbury Grade 2. English UEB Duxbury Grade 2.
Yeah, there's several of these English Braille. I don't know what the difference is between them, but there's multiple versions of English Braille you can activate in other languages.
LibLouis UEB Grade 2. English US Duxbury Grade 2. LibLouis English US Grade 2. LibLouis English UK Grade 2. North American Braille Computer Code LibLouis. English Australia Pre-Unified Duxbury Grade 2. English UB Duxbury Grade 2. English UEB Duxbury Grade 2 Braille Translation Table.
Yeah.
English UB Duxbury Grade 2.
Obviously, if you change the system language, you're going to get different results on this.
Select encoding. UTF-8.
Yeah, for text files, you can see what's in here with confirm.
UTF-8.
I'm not going to change these.
ANSI/Windows 1252.
You totally can change the different text formatting.
UTF-16. UTF-8.
And so on.
ANSI/Windows 1252.
Yeah, I'm just going to leave it UTF-8 because I don't know what that's
Select
is
encoding.
about. I know that
UTF-8.
that's usually what text files are in on the computer, so I know what that is. I get what I don't know what the others are. I've never used them. I just don't know. I have no knowledge on text files. Yeah.
Download language and
And
voices.
back, so we'll go back again.
Language. System.
System. Let's go into system.
Keyboard.
Here's our keyboard options, which is just going to tell us a couple different things.
Key beeps. On.
You can turn the key beeps on or off. I'll leave them on.
Multi-tap text entry method. Announce character on each key press, then enter character after pause.
Yeah, I want to keep that. But we can change these.
Key beeps. On. On. Play only. Off. On.
We'll go back.
Key beeps. On. Multi-tap text entry method. Announce character on each key press,
And you can-
then enter character after pause.
You can change this to various things.
Multi-tap text entry method. Announce final character only. Key beeps. On.
Oh,
Multi-tap text entry
Oh.
method. Announce final character only.
so that is not a... Okay, I'm going to push confirm again.
Multi-tap text entry method. Announce character on each key press, then enter character after pause.
Yeah, some things are you can hit confirm, it will toggle between different things. Other things, you hit it and it's just going to give you the other option. That's one of those on this one, unfortunately.
Key beeps. On. Multi-tap text entry method. Announce character
let's
on
go back.
each keyboard. Date and time.
Date and time, which I have already set, but I'll show you what's in here.
Change time. Change date. Advanced time settings. Change time.
In the advanced settings, we have...
Advanced time settings.
all we
Change
have
date.
in there-
Advanced time settings.
Because the change date and time, you just type in what the date and time are. This one, I'll show them.
Time format. 12 hour.
You can change it to 24,
Date format. Month. Day. Year.
and you can change that to the European month, day, year, or whatever. Or let's see, what is it here?
Time date format. Month. Day. Year.
Yeah, you can do the day, year, month, or day, month, year, like the Brits and stuff do.
Daylight saving time. On.
Apparently, my understanding, at least from what I've seen, it doesn't automatically change it. I'm not sure. I'll find out in October or November. I'll probably have to go in and change that.
Time and date announcements. Announce both time and date. Time format. 12 hour.
If you want to hear that time, though, all you hit is the sleep timer. You hold it down, and we'll get
9:30 a.m. August 7th, 2025.
yeah. And there's no alarms or anything. That just only for some reason that's all you can do right now.
Advanced time settings. Change time.
Yeah, I'll click that one for example, and it just
Enter hour.
yeah you just
9.
so you just enter the hour and the minutes on the other one.
Cancelled.
I've said I'm
Change
I'm
time.
not going to do that because I've already set it. So
Date and time. Sleep.
you can change the sleep timer.
Sleep messages. On. Sleep time configuration. Sleep messages. On. Sleep time configuration. Sleep 15 minutes. On. Sleep 30 minutes. On. Sleep 45 minutes. Sleep 60 minutes. Off sleep. Custom. On. Sleep 15 minutes. On.
So I guess custom you can, what is he?
Sleep. Custom. On.
I'm not sure what that exactly that is, but you can, I guess, maybe customize that. I'll put it to 15
Sleep
right now.
15 minutes.
I don't need
on.
that
Sleep
really.
time configuration.
That should be it here.
Sleep messages.
Yeah, it is.
On.
I'll go back.
Sleep. Keyboard.
So we're all
Date
of
and
that. So
time.
we'll go out of this.
System. Power off options. Power off.
Yeah, you can change how it behaves when you do power on and off the device here.
Power off options. Suspend.
You can suspend
Language.
it. So I want to
Power off
off.
option.
So we'll
Power
plug it
off
back.
options. Power off.
Yeah, that's another one of those where you can't toggle through them. It just picks the next one for you when you hit it. So don't need that.
Language.
I'm gonna go back now
General settings.
to
Navigation and
navigation
playback.
and playback. We'll go in here real quick.
Time jump.
You can change your time jump.
Save last used navigation level. Off.
Yeah, which I don't really need that. I just wanted to read the book I was on, so I'm not going to mess with that one.
Bookmark alert. Off.
I don't know what that is exactly.
Audio adjustment mode. Tone.
Yeah, you can change that, but you can just hit the buttons too. But you can go in here and change speed, tone, volume, all that.
Loop. Off.
That's for music. You can loop your stuff if you want.
Music. Random. Off.
You can make a shuffle or random as they call it in here.
End of book. Message.
Yeah, I want that.
Time jump.
Yeah, you can change all the different time jumps, by 10 minutes, 5 minutes, hour, whatever. Like
30 seconds. On. 1 minute. On. 5 minutes. On. Time jump. 30 seconds. On.
yeah, you can change all that stuff in here.
Time jump.
We won't mess with
Navigation
some of
and
that
playback.
stuff. I don't want to mess with it.
Wireless.
We got our wireless
Recording.
recording stuff.
About.
I'll do the recording real quick.
Recording.
I'll just show what's in here.
Recording volume adjustments. Fixed.
You can change that to,
Recording volume adjustments. Manual.
or maybe I'll do it fixed right now.
Recording volume adjustments. Fixed. Preferred recording source. Currently active. Currently active.
We got different sources here.
External microphone.
Yeah, you can add a stereo mic or something to this,
Headset.
or headset mic.
Internal microphone.
That's fine right now. I'm just going to cancel out
Preferred
of that.
recording and audio bookmarks default save location. SD card.
Oh, yeah, you change that to SD card or
SD card. Internal
internal
memory.
memory. You can do either place.
SD card.
I'll leave it SD card right now.
Recording and audio built-in microphone file type. Wave.
Yep, you can change it from wave
Wave.
to
MP3. FLAC. Wave.
same with the
Built-in micro headset recording file type. Wave.
all the same settings there.
External recording source. Microphone.
Yeah, you can do microphone
External recording source. Line in.
or line in. Okay, we'll do microphone
External recording source.
right now. But
Microphone.
you can record from some other device to this as well.
External recording mode. Stereo.
Yes, I want that. I'm not going to change that to mono because I want stereo.
External recording file type. Wave.
Same thing. All those options are the same.
Recording volume adjustments. Fit
Same.
recording. About. Online settings.
And
About.
about we just have different.
Version 1.5.0 build model. Stream V3. Serial number.
All your
About.
all the information from about your stream, which we don't need to do here because you'll have different numbers and all that.
Online settings.
And here we have,
Software update.
which there is one. We'll do that in just a minute.
Notification mode. Beep. Message and title.
Yeah, you can change all that here. I want to just leave it alone.
Book services.
There are different DAISY services if you're in other countries, especially, but I'll show what they are. There's lots of German ones I know.
Bookshare.
Yeah, there's Bookshare, which I have.
Daisy Online.
And the DAISY Online, which is where the Canadian library is.
EOL.
EOL is a French library, I believe. They have their own configuration stuff. Obviously, I don't live in France and don't speak French, so I won't bother with that because I don't live there.
NFB Newsline.
I have that,
NLS Bard.
and that's in there.
Bookshare.
And back to that, if we go to...
Daisy Online.
This is interesting because...
Add account.
Actually, I have some already.
Import configuration.
And you can import stuff, which I did on a couple of them, but Sela's didn't work. It did for Bookshare, Newsline, and Bard, but not for Sela.
Seller direct to player.
Yeah, I had to manually put that one in, but that's also here.
Add account.
And we can add accounts, but I won't do that.
Import configuration.
I'll show add account because you'll see what's available.
Add account.
There's many different ones in here. We'll show them. You might know some of them if you're in another country, but here it's not as relevant to here, but other countries it is.
Anders listen. ATZ Hormedian. AV3715.RU.
There's a Russian one.
Bayerisch Horbuchere. Berliner Blinden Horbuchere. Blista. CAEB Telechargement Direct.
But that's the Canadian Sela shelf, apparently.
CBB Christelijk Blinden Bibliothek. Seller direct to player.
And that's the Sela one for English.
Deutsches Zentrum für Barrierefreies Lesen. DKBBLESEN in Bonn. Elvis.
I wonder what that one is. It's not Elvis Presley, obviously.
Glauna Biblioteka Precise Bezpieczenia Społecznego. Lotus. Norddeutsch Blinden Horbucherie. Notice Net Bibliothek. Österreichische Horbucherei. Pass and listen. SBS Schweizerische Bibliothek für Blind. Service Québécois du Livre Adapté.
I think that's the Quebec library that they have. It seems to both only be in French, so I didn't bother trying to figure it out. But yeah, that's that one.
Synskadens Verbund. Thalbacher MTM. Teltidninger MTM. Tibby. Vision Australia.
I wish I could get into that one. That would be cool. But you have to send in all kinds of documentation, and yeah, it's not going to work.
WBH/Westdeutsch Bibliothek der Hormedian EV.
I could hope, though, but it's not going to happen.
Anders listen.
And back to that with that one. Okay.
Add account. Import
So
configuration
that.
Daisy Online. EOL.
That's that one.
NFB Newsline.
Okay.
Book services. Other services.
Other services are things like...
Internet radio.
Yeah, that's all the tune-in stuff.
Podcast.
And you can... Internet radio
Internet
we can
radio.
do. Oh, it just takes you to the bookshelf. Never mind.
Humanware playlist.
Yeah, sorry. We don't want
Leaving
that.
menu. 5.
It shine.
Menu. Import general settings. Wireless. Recording. About. Online settings. General setting. Online settings. Software notation. Books or others. Software update. Other service. Internet radio podcast.
Yeah, where you can, do all the things from those shelves here.
Tune in radio.
It all seems to, it basically takes you to those bookshelves and you can do the things there, but even though you're still where you were, but you can go in the menus and do what you can do with the bookshelf itself, which I don't know why, but you can.
Internet radio.
It's all those. That's all I have.
Other services. Software update.
So I guess we'll go ahead and do the
Notification mode.
software
Software
update over
update.
here because we have one. We'll come back and do the other things.
Automatic check. On. Check for update. Automatic check. Check for update.
I know there is one, so I'm going to go and grab it.
Please wait.
We'll see what happens here.
Available update found. Version 1.5.1 _ build 3114. Press pound key to confirm or star key to cancel.
Let's go ahead and try this. I've not gotten to do this before, so we'll see what happens.
Download started.
Okay.
Downloading update. 2%. 5%. 9%. 12%.
It's going to count away for a second. I'll leave it over here for a second
15%.
until it decides to finish. Plus my arm's starting to hurt, so
19%.
I will let it download here.
22%.
Lucky me, this guy.
25%.
I get to do one of these. Haha.
29%. 32%. 35%. 39%.
It did have a text file. What was new? That's how I knew about the Braille thing, but I did delete that. I'm not sure if it's going to come back on here. It might. So I might be able to show it again.
47%.
I was doing something in the online part of it and saw there was a text files full all of a sudden. So I looked at that's what was in that, but I read it and deleted it. But I'm assuming it's going to come back to me in this. We'll find out. I may be able to read it back.
57%.
Mostly bug fixing, but the Braille not crashing the bookshelf was
61%.
what I cared about and that they were working on. So
65%.
lucky me, it's available. So we'll give it a shot.
68%.
Let it.
71%.
Do this little thing here.
78%. 82%.
Going fairly quickly, which is good. That's what we want anyway. At least I do.
88%.
Let's see.
92%.
Okay, getting there.
95%. 99%.
Not sure if I have to do anything here, if it's going to tell me what to do.
Install update now.
Yeah.
1.5.1 underscore build 3114. Press pound key to confirm or star key to cancel.
Sounds good to me.
Shutting down. Please wait.
Okay. So I'm not sure. I think I may have to turn it back on. I was never clear on another video I watched. It wasn't clear what you were supposed to do. Okay, it's shut down, but do I have to... I assume I have to turn it back on myself. I don't think it reboots, so I'm going to power it back on again with the power button. Hold it down. Yep, beep, beep. There we go. Yep. That's probably what that's the update. Or whatever, software updating beep. So we'll let that power back on. I wish I could restart itself. I'm not sure why it can't, but I don't know. Okay, that's probably this software update thing happening, I imagine. It's probably saying that it pulled it down, but it's obviously not going to tell us yet because it obviously hasn't loaded any of the interface that we used it talks with.
Starting update program. 10%.
It's a lower volume level, it seems like.
%.
It's obviously like a pre-system kind of voice that isn't quite as good or loud as the other main voice, but it does talk us through the installation, so that's what we want. So
%.
kind of like how the blind shell goes into the eSpeak voice instead of the talkback voices, and something like that, like a temporary voice to give you progresses and things.
%. 50%.
We're getting there. Not sure if this was a fairly big update or a small little bug fix. I mean, it's a bug fix, but I'm not sure if it's tiny or not. But fairly big, I would say, just how long it's taking. It's got to be fairly good size. I'm not sure it doesn't give us,
60%.
how big these things are, so that's all right, though. I'm just glad I get to show this, because I didn't think I was going to be able to.
%.
Hope I can pull down that War and Peace book in Braille I tried to get before, if I can find it. See which one that one was. I don't remember now.
80%.
But I could hopefully have Braille titles show up as new results too. So I had to go and change that. I mean, I'll probably set it back, just so I can see. But I can pull the book down too. But I have to remember which book it was.
90%.
There we go. We're getting there. Mm-hmm.
99%.
Okay.
Update complete. Shutting down.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna have to turn it back on again. Okay, beep beeps when it shuts down again. I'll power it back on. There we go. We should be. Sure, wish you could do all that on its own, but apparently we have to turn it on ourselves. Okay, that's fine though. I would think this thing could do that on its own, but I don't know. There must be some logic.
Welcome to VictorReader.
Can't, so that's a good sign. That came up.
My card of stuff. NLS Bard. 10 books. 5.
It Shined. The Saga of the Ozark Mountain Daredevils by
Yes, I
Michael Soup Granda.
got some other books. Let's try the offline and see if that text file shows up.
Offline bookshelf. Notes SD card.
Oh, nope.
Generic. 0. Notes.
Okay, yeah, it is not there. I should have kept it.
Online bookshelf.
I did not
NLS
keep
Bard.
it.
10 books.
Oh well.
5.
Let's go
It
back to
Shined.
menus
Menu.
here.
Inboard configure. General settings.
Where was I?
Navigation. Wi-Fi connected.
Oh.
Recording. About. Online settings. General settings. Online settings. Software update. Notification
Okay, I
mode.
shut everything there. So all I
Online
have
settings.
now is to do, I think, just Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I think.
Leaving menu.
Oops.
5. General settings. Online settings.
Yep.
General navigation and playback. Wireless.
That's all we have left. Okay.
Recording. Wireless.
Into wireless we go.
Airplane mode. Off.
Obviously, you can turn that off and on, but I want it on because I'll lose my, or off, I'll lose my internet connection and stuff if I do.
Wi-Fi.
There's our Wi-Fi.
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
Airplane mode.
Yeah.
Off.
Let's do the Bluetooth real quick. I'm going to turn on my speaker across my desk here. It's pretty loud. It's a boom. I think it's just called boom. There goes our boom. So I should be able to hit. I'm going to hold down the button to pair it here on the speaker. Should get into that mode. That's how audible this thing is.
Wi-Fi.
Oh, hey, to connect it up. There we go. Never mind.
Airplane mode. Off.
Yeah, see, now it's going through our speaker over here. Let me just pull it down a little bit. I can move it closer. I'm not going to hold it. I'll move it closer and I'll just turn it down. Over here.
Volume down. Volume down. Volume down.
That should be enough. But yeah, now we're in the Bluetooth speaker.
Wireless.
That should be pretty audible.
Leaving menu. 5. Menu. Import configuration. General settings.
Let's turn up just a smidge here.
Volume up.
Let's do that. Okay.
Navigation and playback. About.
I was going to pair this again, but I won't worry about that. It appears to have done it all on its own.
Online settings.
So let it do its
General navigation and playback. Wireless. Airplane mode. Wi-Fi.
I will show that.
Wi-Fi on.
It's on, of course, so is Bluetooth. But I'll show what's in the Bluetooth settings anyway.
Wi-Fi. Bluetooth.
I was hoping to just show, like, it pairing up, but it appears not forgotten itself.
Bluetooth on. Pair a new device. Connect device. Disconnect device. Delete paired device.
Okay, it's right there. So I could delete it.
Bluetooth on.
So let's go into
Delete paired
it.
device. Wonder Boom.
Yep.
Delete
There we are. So now
device on Bluetooth on.
I'm going to I'm going to pair it again.
Pair a new device.
There we go with that.
Please wait. Wonder Boom.
There we are. Hit enter. That should be all I see.
Wonder Boom.
Yep, it's all it sees. That's fine. That's what I want. And there we go, I think.
Pair a new device.
I love the audible feedback on this speaker. I swear it's great. Okay, we're good now.
Bluetooth. Wireless. Recording. Airplane mode. Off.
Let's turn it down a little bit more here.
Volume down.
It's got weird volume controls. I was
Volume down.
Weird they are.
Volume down.
Gotta touch them in a weird way.
Volume down.
That should be good. We'll do. Yes. Do one more.
Volume up.
That should be loud enough, I think. That should be plenty loud enough.
Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi on. Status.
Maybe we can see what's in here.
Name. Phone.
Oh, it's connected to my phone. Okay, that's not what I want.
Status. New connection.
That is interesting. Let's do yeah, you can do a new connection.
Launch connection.
We can launch one. Let's go. I'm going to try to get to my work Wi-Fi.
Elifnet _ 5G.
That's my house.
Links is 04821 _ 5 gigahertz.
Let's connect to that one.
Cap
Let's
L.
try.
Please wait. Connection launched. Launch connection.
So we should be now. If I hit my info button.
Wi-Fi connected.
Okay, yeah, we're connected now. Let's go double check my 0 key.
Internal space available. No download. Wi-Fi connected. Links is 04821 _ 5 gigahertz. Signal strength. Excellent. MAC address.
Fantastic.
C:8 Wi-Fi.
Be quiet. Now I want to try to see. I'll show what one looks like when you connect to it. I'm not going to. I'll connect to a random one
Wi-Fi
here.
on. Status. New
I'm
connection.
going to do a new connection. Say I'm not going to do it obviously,
Scan for SSID.
which we want, but we can also.
WPS connection.
That's that weird manual thing you get with routers. I don't know anything about how that even works.
Manually connect.
You can't manually connect if you know the information. You can put it in.
Scan for
Let's
SSID.
do that. I'm not going to do this, but I just want to show what it looks like.
Please wait. Links is 04821 _ 5 gigahertz. Matthew.
That's my phone.
CAT. CenturyLink
That's another work one.
5504. Links is 04821. Cap. Pianet 1575. Send your link for that. Five Guys. Cap
Yeah,
F.
it's a restaurant here.
Links is 0482.
Just say I wanted to connect to Five Guys. I'm not going to. One,
F.
it's crappy, and it
Please wait.
is yeah, it should it doesn't have a password.
Connection successful.
Oh, that's sad. I don't want
Enter
that.
nickname for this network.
Well, I don't want that, so
Cancel.
let's get out of that.
New connection.
But apparently, yeah, let me find one with a password on it,
Launch connection.
so I can just show you what it,
New connection.
because you'll just,
Scan for SSID.
I want to do, hang on. That's funny,
Please
though.
wait.
Usually, well, one, that network is
Five
not
Guys.
near
Cap
us, and
F.
it's
Matthew.
also crappy.
Cap M. Links is 04821. Send your
Yeah, say this, I want that one.
500. Enter password.
Yeah, yes, you have to enter the password, and then you confirm it. So that's that. I want to try to
Cancel.
connect to my phone real quick,
Wi-Fi.
just to show that it can be done.
Bluetooth.
But I'm gonna
Airplane. Wi-Fi.
there we go.
Wi-Fi on. State. New connection. Launch connection.
Let's launch it from
LFnet
here.
underscore. Links is 0. Phone.
See if I can actually connect to my phone or not. It may not let me do it. It's very picky.
Please wait.
I'm probably gonna have to go into the launch connection to the SSID and try it.
Connection launched.
Let's
Launch connection.
see if it actually connects to it.
Wi-Fi connected.
Okay, yeah, it did do it. Sometimes it won't let me do it for some reason. I'm not sure why. It's doing it here, but I know at home I've had trouble getting it connected. Same with if I'm out and about, so I'm not sure. Let's go back to my work one though.
Wi-Fi.
That's what I want it to connect to.
Wi-Fi on. Launch connection. LFnet under. Links is 0. Please wait.
Let's do this here.
Connection launched.
Let's make sure it
Launch
does it.
connection. Wi-Fi connected.
Okay. Hit my 0 key, make sure it's the right one.
Internal battery powered. No download. Wi-Fi connected. Links is 0.
Yes.
Launch
marvelous.
connection. Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Wireless.
Get all this. All that's in those menus now.
Recording.
I've touched over every other thing.
Online settings.
Yes, I have. Okay.
Leaving menu. 5.
All right.
It Shined. The Saga of the Ozark Mountain Daredevils by Michael Soup Granda.
I'm loving that book. I'm a huge Daredevils fan. I'm loving this book. It is available on Bard. The State Library, Wolfner Library, has recorded it. Basically because I wanted them to. I requested some stuff through VictorReader in Kansas. It's a reading service. They have a request service. And I had some other books. That was one of them. And there's a book about Missouri prisoners of war. And they did the other books, but they sent that one and the Daredevils book off to Wolfner Library, and they are gasp recording them. Obviously, It Shined has been done. If you want to know all about the Ozark Mountain Daredevils, it's written by the bassist Soup Granda, Michael Soup Granda, who comes around here some, has played locally. I've seen the band several times, but I'm enjoying the book a lot. I have like 6-7 hours left. It's a 18-hour book, I think. It's a pretty hefty hardback. I don't know if they're going to describe any of the pictures, but I'm not sure that they are, but I don't know. I'll find out. But that's there, and the Prisoner of War book is being done. So, because of me, that book is now finally in the collection after years of me wanting to read it. But I'm going to try to find that. Try to find that Braille book, so we can get a Braille book to read on this thing
2.
with volumes.
1. Search for books.
I'm going to try to find this book.
Search collection. Wish list. Most recent. Most recent most popular. Browse magazine. Browse categories. Previous downloads.
It's not supposed to crash this bookshelf now. We'll see. So if I do the print, can I get the info on these books?
947 results found. More than 100 results. 1. The Return of the King. Token. J. Book number. DB123866. Subject. Fantasy fiction. Author. 2. The Two Towers. 3. 4. 9.
I'm just gonna find that War and Peace Braille book.
24. War and Peace.
But luckily it gives you the actual
22,
numbers, so I should be able to find it
23.
here.
War and Peace. Tolstoy. Book number. DB6.
Nope.
24.
Next one.
War and Peace.
How about that one?
Book number. DB26. 25. Strangers in
Nope.
Time. 26. The Secret Garden. 27. Elfite.
Doesn't show it.
28. Carson the Night. 29. Farmer Boy. 30. Little House in the...
Sorry, where is it? Where's the...
31. Slaughterhouse. 32. The House Across. 28. Carson the Mag. 26. The Secret Guard. 25.
It
Strangers.
should show it, though.
23. War and Peace. 22. Dragon's Code. 21. Say You'll Remember Me. 20. It Shined.
That's
19.
weird.
The Wild Brook. 18. Harry Potter at 7. Previous downloads.
Let's see here.
Search collection.
How do I change the
Wish list.
Braille thing again?
Search collection.
Let me go in. I'm going to the menu and change that.
Menu. Import configure. Modify login information. Book types to search. Audio books only.
Here's to...
Audio books only. Braille books only. Audio and Braille.
Let's do that one.
Selected. Book types to search. Audio. Remove service. Leaving menu. Search collection.
Okay.
Previous download.
Can I see them now?
947. 2. 10. The Ghosts. 13. Sunrise. 17. Less Animo Fat. 19. The Wild Robot. 20. It Shined. 21. Say You'll Remember. 22. GRE Prep. 23. War and Peace Slap. 24. Dragon's Code. And Mc. 23.
Ah.
War and Peace Book number.
There it is.
BR09710.
There's my
Subject.
Braille book.
Classics. Queued for download. 23. War and Peace Slap. NLS Bard. Download completed. War and Peace slash Tolstoy. Leo. Graph.
Nice.
Braille. NLS Bard. 11. Books. 1.
A pale light in.
Search for books. 11. War and Peace. Tolstoy. Leo.
There we go. Let's see if this actually works.
Please wait.
Yeah, it's probably got a lot of stuff to process here. We'll see if this actually functions like it's supposed to.
Please wait.
It's a pretty hefty book. We'll see how many volumes it is. Like it's...
War and Peace.
Yes, it's working.
L. Not. Tolstoy. Translated and with an introduction Rosemary Edmonds. Volume I have 14 volumes, pages IXXXIV and 1I. For special distribution as authorized act.
Yay, it worked. It has 14 volumes. So can I go by... Let's see. If I do the go-to thing as I read the book... I have
For
not gone
special distribution, go to %. Search in text. Search on Wikipedia. Search on Wiktionary.
No.
Go to %.
Darn, I can't go to volume. Sadness. But if I navigate through it, I don't care about this book at all.
Cancelled.
I should be able to...
NLS Bard. 11.
what if I navigate through this book here? Hey. What the? Oh dear.
NLS Bard. Search for 11. War and Peace.
Maybe it takes it a sec to parse it again. Let's see. I keep breaking this thing. Sometimes I keep like making it not work. That's bizarre.
NLS bar. Search for book. 11. War and Peace. Tolstoy. Leo. Go to book.
Ah,
Search for books. Go to book. 1.
A pale light.
Search for book. 11. War and Peace. War and Peace. Tolstoy. Leo.
trying to get you to read again. It was working. However, it seems to do weird things, but it is working. I can just delete it and pull it back.
Delete current book. Confirm delete.
But I can,
Deleted.
I can just grab it.
NLS
again.
barred. 10. Books. Search for books. Search collection. Previous day. 902. 1. War and Peace. Queued for download. 1. War and Peace /
Just grab it again.
NLS card. Download completed.
All right, let's see here.
War
Now
and
let's
Peace
see.
/ Tolstoy. NLS bar. Search for book. 11. War and Peace.
There we are.
Please wait.
Let's try to see how it happens when I navigate it. If it'll let me navigate it like a regular book. We'll
Please
see.
wait.
Excuse me. I don't think it's a fan of this particular book, I don't think. That's okay though, it does work, and we can get Braille books now. Which is great.
NLS barred. 11. Book.
And it just doesn't want to seem to play this book for me, so that's not cool. That's okay though, we'll go ahead and delete it. It was
Delete
working, it
current
does
book.
work, you can do it,
Confirm delete.
so
Deleted.
that's fine.
NLS barred. 3. 5.
It shined. By the time they were inserted into the mold, they...
Okay, so to get back where I was, but yeah, that's how that works all in a book in a nutshell. You can read Braille books now on the bookshelf, so ignore what I said before. You can do it. They have fixed it now as of today. That is August 7th. You can now read August 7th, 2025. You can read Braille books on the Bard bookshelf again on the stream. So that is that. I've gone through everything that I can at least get to and know about the stream. I don't have Audible stuff. I can't show that right now. Maybe I can get my brother and figure that out since I'm on his account, but you have to get some kind of Audible sync program and you can do stuff from it through the companion and then also transfer them manually. I'm not quite sure. It's a little bit of a process. He wouldn't care. I tried to send him an article on it, but I don't know. I know his info technically. I don't know how complicated it is to do it. So yeah, I don't know, but that's the one thing I can't show is Audible. Everything else I could show, and I did, and I've explained it to the best of my knowledge and ability, which isn't, I'm not like a professional teacher or anything like that on this stuff, but I gave it my best, and hopefully you find it useful. First full tutorial I've ever done on anything. I've done some partials for here at the store, but it's the first total one I've ever done myself of a new device. So I hope you found it useful, and I could try to answer questions if you had any in the comments, perhaps. Or I could certainly find out if I don't know the answer, then I could do a video on it. But mostly everything I can find has been found. I know some of there are I think there are some keys you can hold them down and they do other functions. I don't know what those are right now. If I ever know them, I'll make another video about that. But that is the series to this point. So I will see you guys in another video about some other unrelated topic. Who knows what that may be, but I'll see you guys then.